Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of activating Pluto TV on your PS4 so you can start enjoying free streaming entertainment right away. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get started. Step 1. Download the Pluto TV app. 1. Turn on your PS4 console and log into your account. 2. Navigate to the PlayStation Store from the main menu. 3. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type Pluto TV. 4. Select the Pluto TV app from the search results. 5. Click on the download button to install the app. Step 2. Open the Pluto TV app. 1. Once the installation is complete, go back to your main menu. 2. Find the Pluto TV app in your library or on the home screen. 3. Select the Pluto TV icon to launch the app. Step 3. Create a Pluto TV account, if necessary. 1. If you already have a Pluto TV account, you can skip to Step 4. 2. If not, you may need to sign up for an account. Follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. Step 4. Get the activation code. 1. After logging in, you'll see a screen with an activation code. 2. Note down this code. You'll need it for the next step. Step 5. Activate Pluto TV on your device. 1. Using a computer or mobile device, open a web browser and go to the Pluto TV activation page at www.plutotv.com. Activate. 2. Sign in to your Pluto TV account if required. 3. Enter the activation code from your PS4 into the provided field. 4. Click the Activate button to link your account with your PS4. Step 6. Confirm activation. 1. After you activate your account, go back to your PS4. 2. The Pluto TV app will refresh and your activation should be confirmed. 3. Browse through the channels and start watching free TV. That's it. You're now ready to enjoy a wide variety of live channels and on-demand content on Pluto TV through your PS4. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Happy streaming!